Hello, second grade Smarties, and welcome to iReady Math Lesson 23, video number 4. Today, you are going to be in your instruction book on pages 214 and 215. Today, we are going to be using what we have learned so far about pictographs and bar graphs to answer some word problems. So let's go ahead and get started by looking at our example on page 214. It says Gavin made a pictograph to show how many stickers he collected during the month of February. How many more stickers did he collect during week 3 than during weeks 1 and 4 combined? Ooh, okay, so I'm going to go back and read that. It says Gavin made a pictograph to show how many stickers he collected during the month of February. How many more stickers did he collect during week 3 than during weeks 1 and 4 combined? So if I combine something, that means I am putting it together. So we are comparing how many stickers he collected during week 3 to the stickers that he collected on week 1 and 4. So look at the equations that were made. So we combine week 1 and 4. That means we put that together. So in week 1, he collected 1 sticker. In week 4, he collected 2. When we put that together, that is 3 stickers. Now we are going to compare those 3 stickers to the 8 stickers. So we start with our biggest number, 8. We take away what we know, and the difference is 5. So Smarties, when we have word problems, it's super important to circle important numbers and underline important words. Let's go ahead to number 13. It says, how many more stickers did Gavin collect during the last 2 weeks than during the first 2 weeks? Let's read that again. How many more stickers did Gavin collect during the last 2 weeks than during the first 2 weeks? So we have 4 weeks in total. We are going to combine weeks 1 and 2, and then we are going to combine weeks 3 and 4, and then compare those 2 parts. So let's look at weeks 3 and 4. In week 3, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we had 8 plus week 4 had 2. 8 plus 2 equals 10. So those were our last 2 weeks. Now we need to find the first 2 weeks. So we have 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 plus 5. All right, now we need to compare. What kind of equation can we make to compare? A subtraction equation. So we found the last 2 weeks, 8 plus 2 equals 10, and we found the first 2 weeks, which was 1 plus 5. Which number are we going to start with to subtract? 10 or 6? We're going to start with 10. 10 is our greatest number. We want to figure how many more stickers were collected on the last 2 weeks than on the first 2 weeks. So we are going to take away what we know is the same. What is 10 minus 6, Smarties? 4. What is the difference? 4 stickers. So we would say 4 stickers. So Smarties, we had to solve 3 equations. Sometimes with word problems, we're going to have to do a little extra work to get the correct answer. All right, let's move on to number 14. It says, Allie made this graph on Sunday morning. Then she read 2 more books that day. Fill in the graph to show that she read 2 more books on Sunday. Okay, let's read that again. Allie made this graph on Sunday morning. Then she read 2 more books that day. I'm going to circle 2 more. fill in the graph to show that she read 2 more books on Sunday. All right, Smarties, so we have a bar graph. Allie tracked the books that she read on Thursday, on Friday, on Saturday, and Sunday. On Sunday morning, she had read 2 books, but then she read 2 more. I want you to go ahead and show what our bar will look like after she read 2 more books. Go ahead and fill that in, and then we will compare our answers. All right, so starting at Sunday, she read 2 books, but then she read 2 more. So 2 plus 2 more would be 4. So the top of my bar is going to line up with 4. All right. So how many books in all did she read on Sunday, Smarties? She read 4. Perfect. All right, and let's look at 15. Ooh, okay. We have some vocabulary to think about. How many fewer books did Allie read on Thursday and Friday combined than on Saturday? Okay, let's read that again. How many fewer books did Allie read on Thursday and Friday combined than on Saturday? So combined means what, Smarties? We are putting together. So Thursday and Friday, let's see how many books Allie read. On Thursday, the top of our bar meets with 2. So on Thursday, she read 2 books. And on Friday, the top of our bar meets with a 1. So when we combine those 2 parts, 2 plus 1 equals 3. There's the first step in our problem. Now we are comparing that number to how many books she read on Saturday. Smarties, look at Saturday and look at where the top of the bar lines up with. What does it line up with? 4. So she read 4 books on Saturday. We need to find how many fewer books she read than on Saturday. So if we are comparing, what kind of equation do we need to make, Smarties? A subtraction equation. So we know that there were 4 books on Saturday. We are wanting to compare 4 books on Saturday to the 3 books on Thursday and Friday. What number am I going to start with to subtract? 4. 4 is our greater number. So she read 4 books on Saturday. We are taking away what we know is the same and finding what is different. 4 take away 3 is 1. Go ahead and circle the option that shows how many fewer books Allie read. Letter A. All right. It says John chose C as the answer. This answer is wrong. How did John get his answer? Let's look back at the steps that we took in our problem, Smarties. What did we do first? We found Thursday and Friday combined. What did John forget to do? He forgot to compare that number to the 4 books that Allie read on Saturday. So how can we answer this problem? How did John get his answer? What did he do or what did he forget to do? He forgot to subtract 4 books from Saturday. He forgot to subtract the 3 books from the 4 books to find how many fewer. So we can say John only found the number of books for, there's one of our trick words for this week. So John only found the number of books for Thursday and Friday. So Smarties, when we show our work, and we have these are called higher order thinking questions. These are questions that are making you think a little deeper, thinking about how someone did something. That's hard to do if you're not in that person's mind. But we can think about how we solved it to figure out how we could help this person, right? So we were able to look back at our problem because John found C. When we looked back at our work, we could figure out how he got that problem. He only combined the books for Thursday and Friday. He did not compare the number of those books to the number of books read on Saturday. Those word problem Smarties, you got to read them more than once so you know what's going on. All right, that is it for lesson 23. Smarties, remember to keep that growth mindset. Good learners do hard things, and I will see you soon with another video lesson. Happy graphing.